Hello, Jewel School. I'm Laura, and I am so excited to be back in the studio with you guys. So this is what we are making today, this very fall-inspired earring. We have got this really cool set of components, like little charm things, and it's like a flower set. It does have this maple leaf in there, but it's got all these really cool different flower motifs in it. Like, I don't even know how many there are in here. Some are small, some are big. What I really like is that they're double-sided too, so like there's no, any way that you look at them, they look, you know, they look cool. They don't just look boring on the back. These are the little earring components. It comes in silver or like stainless steel, and it comes in a larger size and a smaller size. So it comes in a large size and a small size like that. We're using the smaller of the two. It comes with plenty of backs. It's got these fancy backs that have the silicone and the little metal component in there, and you get enough for all your earrings. Especially cool because they've got that little loop that you can dangle something off of. So grab these if you don't have them. And then we're using this strand of like the orangey agate from this multicolored agate set. We have also got this enormous chain set, unfinished chain kit of 20. And I am using the large curb chain from the Gold Tone. And I'm just using 3 links of this chain, so I'm barely using any at all. For each earring, I cut myself 3 links of this chain. And actually they're open links, so I didn't even have to cut them. You just pry them open with your pliers, and then you can close it back up, and you're not wasting any pieces of chain, which is really important to us makers. And so you just close that back up, and voila, you've got your little 3 links of chain there. So I've got my 3 links cut. I've got some little baby jump rings that I'm gonna use to attach my leaves to my chain. Whatever, I think probably I would recommend going this in the a smaller size of the jump ring, just because we've got a relatively large chain link there, and if you were to use say like a 6 or 8 millimeter jump ring, that would just be I think create a lot of like congestion, if you will, around those leaves, and would kind of affect how they're going to hang on your chain. So what we want to do is we just want to grab our little jump rings. We'll pry them open with our pliers and drop our chain, our charm on, and then while we've got it open, we're going to attach our chain, and then we'll close that up. Oh, or we'll try to. Let me grab that. One of these is magnetic. There we go. Okay, so then we're gonna do the same thing. We're just gonna move up the chain as we go. And if you wanted to kind of exaggerate the look of your leaves falling, then you could use more chain, like a longer piece of chain, and then spread them out on the chain, and it would kind of exaggerate that look. I gotta turn this leaf around because it's faced the wrong way. All right, and then one more to go. Let's pry that open. And slide our chain on here. And then we are ready to attach our well, we're ready to start making our little dangles with our beads. So I've got just some short little head pins here, whatever head pins you guys have. So I used 6 beads, so 2 beads next to each leaf. So I'm just gonna string these on here real quick. And I tried to kind of use a variety of the colors in here so we get a good kind of depth to our earring. So that's 4, 5, and we'll do one more dark one. 6. All right, so I've got them all on my head pins, and now I'm just going to use my one-step looper to make some loops. So I'm going to do this real quickly. Just make a bunch of loops, and you can, do as many pieces or as many dangles as you want. So now we're gonna go in with our chain nose pliers, and we're just gonna open all of our little loops, get them ready to attach to our chain. So I just pry them open gently, not too much. And now we're ready to attach all these little guys next to our leaves. So I go down here at the bottom, and I'm gonna start at the bottom and work my way up. And holding my leaf, I'm just gonna attach one to either side of my leaf. So close that, then I'm gonna slide my leaf over and attach another one to the other side. Close that up, and then I'll move on to my second leaf. Same thing, I'm gonna attach one to either side of the leaf. So I just flip my leaf over and attach to the other side. Can't pick this one up. Okay, there we go. Close that, and now we are on to our last leaf. So again, on either side of our leaf here. You can bulk this up and add more beads if you want. There we go. All right. Make sure everybody's facing the right way. And we're ready to attach these to our earrings. So my hoop earring comes with a jump ring on the bottom of it. So we're just gonna it's already open for me. So I'm just gonna drop this onto that loop, just like that. And then close my loop up. Ta-da! We've got our little falling leaves earring. I don't know how to falling leaves earrings. Earrings. I don't know. Seems like too many plurals. Okay. So there they go. I think those are cute. They're very light. They're not real heavy, but they're a fun, I think, festive way to jump into our fall season. Thanks for joining me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's demo. If you need any of the tools and supplies that we use today, check out the links in the description below. And while you're down there, I want to know what your favorite season is. Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss any future videos. Bye, y'all.